Dubai just approved 18 billion worth new projects and strategies. And if you're someone who is looking to invest in Dubai real estate, this is something you should pay attention to. Because this is not just a government news. This tells us where Dubai is heading next. My name is Sohail, and I help investors understand Dubai real estate opportunities. Let me explain it in simple terms. Recently, His Highness approved a major package of new projects covering infrastructure, trade, investments, jobs, finance, plus population tracking, as well as urban planning. But from the real estate investor's point of view, there are three things that matter the most. Number one, infrastructure. Dubai has approved the first Al Khail Street development plan. This will be 15 kilometers of elevated road running parallel to the Sheikh Zayed Road with 3 lanes in each direction. It's planned to improve the access to the areas such as Business Bay, Meydan, Dubai Hills, as well as Arjan and Al Barsha. The target is to reduce the travel time on Sheikh Zayed Road by 51% during the peak hours and increase the road capacity by 9,000 vehicles per hour. Construction is expected to start in Q3 of 2027 and finish by Q4 of 2030. Now, why does it matter for real estate? Because in property, infrastructure is one of the major signals that investors should watch. When access improves, areas become easier to live in, easier to rent, and easier to justify for end users. Now, this doesn't mean that every property in these areas will automatically go up, but it does mean the areas that are connected to this new corridor, such as Business Bay, Meydan, Dubai Hills, as well as Barsha and Arjan, becomes more important to watch out for next few years. Number 2, population growth. Dubai is launching a real-time population monitoring system called Dubai Population Now. This uses data and AI to help the government plan housing, schools, healthcare, transport, and public services more accurately. According to the announcement, Dubai's population has reached 4.58 million people by the end of 2025, which is an increase of 332,000 people in 1 year. For real estate, this is a very important number. More people means more demand for housing. More residents means more tenants, more buyers, more offices, more schools, more retail, and more services. But again, this does not mean that you should buy anything blindly. Population growth supports the overall market, but the performance of your property still depends on the location, price, layout, quality, as well as the supply coming up in that area. Number 3, investor confidence. Dubai is also introducing a unified Dubai Investor Register. In simple words, this is designed to make it easier for companies and investors to operate from different zones across Dubai without repeating the registration process again and again. This supports Dubai's bigger D33 economic agenda, which aims to attract 650 billion dirham in foreign direct investment by 2033. Why does this matter for property? Because when it becomes easier to do business, more companies can enter the market. More companies means more jobs, and more jobs brings more residents. And more residents support both residential and commercial real estate demand. So when I look at this 18 billion dirham of announcement, I don't just see roads and government plans. I see Dubai preparing for its next phase of growth. Better infrastructure, more business-friendly systems, more accurate population planning, and more foreign investment. These are the long-term signals that serious investors should pay attention to. But here is the important part. Dubai is growing? Yes, but not all property are going to perform the same. Some areas will benefit more than the others, and some projects will rent better than others. Some off-plan deals will make sense, and some will be overpriced. So the real opportunity is not just buying in Dubai. The real opportunity is buying a right property in the right area at the right price before the impact of these changes become obvious. If you are thinking about investing in Dubai and want to understand what are the areas that may benefit from these new changes, send me a message and follow me for more simple real estate breakdowns like this.